Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra has been making waves even before its official release. With leaks surfacing just days ahead of Samsung's big announcement, this flagship device is set to redefine expectations for premium smartphones. Let's dive into the confirmed details, design elements, and innovative features that promise to make this device a game-changer. Unpacking the leaks. Promotional materials for the Galaxy S25 series have spilled the beans on key specifications and features for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. These leaks highlight upgrades in camera technology, battery capacity, AI-powered functionalities, and design refinements. Key camera and battery specs. Galaxy S25 Plus. Front camera, 12MP. Ultra-wide camera, 12MP. Main camera, 50MP. Telephoto cameras, 10MP, 2x optical zoom, and 10MP, 3x optical zoom. Battery, 4,900 mAh. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Front camera, 12MP. Ultra-wide camera, 50MP. Main camera, 200MP. Telephoto cameras, 50MP, 5x optical zoom, and 10MP, 3x optical zoom. Battery, 5,000 mAh. Notably, the battery capacities remain unchanged compared to the Galaxy S24 series, maintaining Samsung's focus on durability and reliability. The design revolution. Samsung is shifting gears with a refreshed design for the S25 Ultra. The sharp corners of the S22 through S24 Ultra are giving way to a sleeker, rounded look. This design pivot enhances both ergonomics and aesthetics, making the device more comfortable to hold and visually striking. Color options. Ultra model, titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. Plus model, ice blue, mint, navy, and silver shadow, with additional shades like blue black and coral red expected. Build and form. Materials. Titanium frames lend durability and sophistication. Bezels. Ultra-thin, symmetrical bezels with a flatter frame make the device lighter, taller, and narrower. Camera layout. The design draws inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold 6, featuring thicker, metallic camera rings that seamlessly integrate into the back panel. New features and AI integration. Samsung's One UI 7 introduces groundbreaking features that leverage AI to enhance user experience. Now Brief. Offers personalized, context-specific information throughout the day. Displays morning weather, fitness goals, and activity summaries. Integrates seamlessly with Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Ring for real-time updates. Gemini AI. Enables advanced app control via voice commands. Allows users to manage tasks like navigation, music playback, and reminders with natural language. Camera innovations. The S25 Ultra's camera system sets a new benchmark for smartphone photography. It introduces several AI-driven enhancements. Live video recording enables professional-grade video capture with raw color recording for unparalleled color grading flexibility. Seamless camera transitions. Switch between lenses effortlessly during video recording for a smooth, lag-free experience. AI-enhanced display improves color accuracy and brightness by 43%, delivering vibrant visuals with energy-efficient optimization. Audio eraser, a game-changer. Samsung's One UI 7 introduces the audio eraser feature, a tool designed for creators. Functionality: fine-tune audio by adjusting voice, wind noise, music, and other sounds independently. Comparison: similar to Google's offering with the Pixel 8 series, but tailored for Galaxy devices. Use case: ideal for content creators aiming for studio-quality video production directly on their phones. Performance upgrades. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra lies Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering unparalleled performance. Memory and storage. Up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage ensure smooth multitasking and ample space for media. Display: a 6.8-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate offers an immersive viewing experience. Battery life: A 5,000 mAh battery paired with 45W fast charging keeps the device running all day. MagSafe-like charging. A standout revelation is the addition of MagSafe-like wireless charging. This innovation ensures faster, more secure connections with compatible accessories, rivaling Apple's MagSafe system. Why the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out. With its blend of refined design, cutting-edge technology, and AI-powered features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra reaffirms Samsung's position at the forefront of innovation. Its user-centric approach, combined with professional-grade tools, makes it a must-have for both tech enthusiasts and casual users. Final thoughts. As the leaks align with Samsung's official promotional materials, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone launches of the year. With its rounded design, powerful AI features, and robust camera capabilities, it offers something for everyone. Stay tuned for the official unveiling and a deep dive into Samsung's latest flagship series.